every poll out there, at least every poll I've seen, has shown significant support for making a health care and a pension contribution that's reasonable, and the ones we're proposing are less than the middle-class taxpayers outside of government. They're even less than the federal government, which, by the way, the federal government has no collective bargaining for wages and benefits. So as they look at those facts, as they see those facts, and they realize what's going to change, it's that we're paying a little bit more for our benefits. It's that public employees now get to put money back in their pocket if they don't want to be a part of the union. And it's the fact that the government runs more effectively. That doesn't sound like all the horrible things that these ads are implying. People may have a difference of opinion, but editorial after editorial, even those that don't agree with the bill, have clearly said recalls aren't for a disagreement on a bill. They're for misconduct in office and things of that nature, and that's where voters ultimately are the ones who get to decide that. But that's been the trend in the state before. I think when the average voter sees that what happened here is something that's good for middle-class jobs and good for protecting middle-class taxpayers, that it ultimately is beneficial for making the state's budget balanced, but more importantly, for making the government run better, they're going to affirm those senators that took that vote and appreciate them for the courage they had to take on the status quo. What we're doing here is, I think, progressive. It's innovative. It's different. It's reform that leads the country, and we're showing there's a better way by sharing in that sacrifice with all of us in government. And I think that's a much better approach not only now but into the future.